Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today's topic, I am going to teach you and show you how to create a very simple table centerpiece for the autumn season. Okay, our material is wooden with the glue stick, and we need this liquid glue, white glue, and we need this one, the stand for the plates. And we have here, I will show you, I have here a plate. This one is a plate with some decorations, and this one is our decoration for this plate. We're going to fix it here. This is a real autumn leaves. Okay, this is the real autumn leaves. The real color of this is the original color. It's something orange or yellow or brown, but I retouch this one with the use of nail polish so that it will look more beautiful. This is the original color, but I retouch it only with the use of nail polish to look more orange. This is the original color, and at the back side I painted it with the orange nail polish. So this is our project for today. This is the plate, and this one is autumn leaves. This is the autumn leaves here in Switzerland. First, you have to collect any kind of dry leaves. This one I collected from the roots. So before you're going to create a project, you have to put inside the magazine. This is a magazine. Look at here. Just keep inside the magazine so that it will be pressed, and like this. So keep it for 1 week, then check it if it is already dry and already pressed very well. Okay, so I will show you how to paint these leaves. I have here, this is already painted, but I will show you one of these leaves. I used different colors or 3 colors of this nail polish. Okay, this is the original color. So I have here a multicolor of nail polish. So I will show you, I will color this orange. Okay, so I have here the mint green, and this is the yellow. This nail polish is made by Trendy, made in Europe. Okay, so then I will show you how to look like this, like an orange. Okay, because this is something like brown and the other side is yellow, so I want it to become like an orange. So I'm going to paint this one with this nail polish. Okay, just simply brush it with the use of the nail polish. Okay, just a retouch a little bit, not too much, because this is already dry. So it's better you have to paint first with the nail polish before you will start the work, so that you can work continuously. Like this, I have already prepared. Then I will just make a demonstration to you on how to retouch the leaves in order to look more elegant and beautiful. Okay, and we are going to fix this one into the serving plate. So now this is the real color, the dry color of these autumn leaves, and now this is the transformation. I color it with the orange. Okay, and now it's already beautiful. So this is our leaves that we are going to decorate. This one is yellow. Look, the original color is this. The other side I painted it with the nail polish, so now it looks more beautiful. Same as this, I retouch with orange, and this one, look, the original is yellow, but the other side I retouch with the mint green, because the the autumn color is 4 colors: red, orange, mint green, and yellow. So this is our serving plate. Look at here. I use this one because I have already a background with the yellow. Okay, so I'm going to start now. So now my glue gun is already hot, so I'm going to put a glue on the back side of these leaves, just a little bit, not too much, just to hold. So we will just put a little bit, not too much, so that it will just fix. Just put on the side. You can use also this one, okay, but since we need to fix it very quickly, so I need to use the glue gun. So now I am going now to fix it here. Okay, this will be here, and the big one, the other orange, this one, the big orange, I am going to fix also here at the side, to be balanced, because this is the center. So it's, you don't need to put too much glue, only a little bit. And this one in the other side. Okay, so I have already here. Look, and I have to continue. This is the only red color that I have. This is originally red, so I did not color it because it's already red. This is real red color, real. So I'm gonna fix it here, a little bit center here, and I am going to add this little bit smaller, the green one. Yeah, this one. Okay, and this one I am going to fix it here, but I am going to make a format first with my leaves, so that it will be balanced. Okay, so this will be here, and this one will be here, and this one will be here. Okay, and this will be here, and this here, and will be here. Okay, so I just fix. Okay, so I'm going to fix this one here. So this one I'm gonna be fixing it here. Okay. So we'll be here. Okay. I did not remove the stem because it will add beauty to our project, the original leaves, there is a stem. Okay, so it will be here. And this one will be here. So gonna be here. Okay. And the small one will be in the center. Okay. Like this. And the last one I have here, I'm gonna fix it here. Okay. So this is our project. It's very easy. Look at this. So this is just a very easy project. Okay. So look at this. I have already done with my project. So this is our project for today. This is how to create a table centerpiece with the use of the autumn leaves, the real autumn leaves. Only you have to retouch this one. I will retouch. Okay, just retouch a little bit of the orange color to look more beautiful. Okay, so this is our project for today. And now I am going to show you. I will put here on the stand. This is the stand, and I'm going to put this in the stand like this. Okay. Okay, wait a moment. So this is our project for today. So this is now our project. Look at here. So it's like that. Okay, look. So very simple. So you have already an instant table centerpiece for the autumn season. Okay, so I hope you will also create your autumn table centerpiece. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next tutorial. Don't be shy. I will add, just a moment, I will add these electric lights. I have here an electric lights. This is, no, not electric, this is a battery operated lights that we will fix here to add beauty to this, look at here, this is the lights. So we can put it here on the side, okay, to add beauty to our project, especially if you will switch off the lights in your dining table, and you can fix this one so that it will look more beautiful. Okay, look at this. Okay, that's it. Okay, we will switch off and switch on. It is more beautiful if there is a battery operated light that's hanging on it. Okay, and you can use this as your table lamp during your meeting or your conference in your table. So it looks very beautiful when there is a battery operated light. No? Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you again in my next tutorial. Don't miss it. I have to create more projects for the autumn season and for the Christmas. This is very easy project. Okay, if you don't have like this type of leaves, especially in Asian country, you can use any kinds of leaves, dried leaves, and you can retouch with the use of the different colors of nail polish. Okay, ciao.